So we're here today in, let's start that again. We're here today in Marathon Key. This little big Goplus 12.5 foot kayak has traveled 2,000 kilometers, and I've discovered no one has done a video reviewing this kayak. So the waves out there are fairly high. It's a 20 km/h wind. You'll see that part of the video later, but this is the setup part. It's easy. I've already put it together once, inflated, and put it back in the bag, and it wasn't hard. But here is the review of the Goplus 12.5 foot inflatable kayak. So I'm going to inflate each chamber one at a time, but I'm going to skip a lot of the time because I think you'd be kind of bored watching me just inflate. We'll put a little time marker on there so you know how long it took to inflate each chamber. So I have a timer here. I'm going to give it to my cameraman here. Clicking start. Here we go. Now is I'm going to put all the stuff together. I'll put the paddles together. I'm not going to film that, and then I'll put it all beside it. Alright, so one quick tip when you're putting this away, take a look at earlier in the video. If you don't fold the kayak sides in just right, it's not going to go in the bag properly. Deflation is really easy, but I'm not covering that here. So just follow me with the camera, and I'm just going to show you a couple cool little things. Alright, so if you get a shot of that down there, that is a drain hole. So if the boat takes on water, you can take the drain hole out and you can keep paddling and it will just kind of self-drain. It may not be quick, but at least you won't be sitting in water and it won't be filled to the edges of the top walls filled with water as well. So I've already put the seats in. Please adjust those before you get on the water. There's a little bit of finagling and figuring out, so you want to do that while you're on the shore on dry land. You can see the seat, or not the seat, but the feet rests as well, fully adjustable, and I'm about 5'9". I wanted it in that last furthest peg holder, and as you can see, I'm not yet covering the drain hole. That's about it. There's two removable skegs there. I haven't put those on. Again, I'll do that when I get to the beach. All right, last thing, I'm gonna show you how light this thing is and how easy it is to carry. It isn't that heavy at all. I could walk for quite a while like this if I had to. get the rock stuff. All right, here we go.
It almost looks like we're out in the water far.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna try standing really quick.
Okay.
So hang on. A little rough for standing, but if it weren't wavy, you could totally stand in this. On a calmer lake, standing would be fine, but these waves are a bit much. All right, so last thing we do. I was really impressed with this. It was fairly fast in the water, very, very buoyant. I mean, those are some pretty decent sized boat wake waves, and the waves here already, not white caps, but still pretty big. No concerns, didn't take on not even a drop of water except from the paddle. This is a great boat. All right, and one more thought. I'd like to thank Jeremiah, my son, for helping me shoot this video, because this would have been really impossible without him. Thank you, Jeremiah.